Well, here we go. I got an engine put back in it. It looks about like it did before. Of course, it's the same heads, same intake, all the same front dress, you know, water pump, alternator, all that. It's just a different block. But it's in there kind of temporary. Some things are. Just got a few things hooked up quickly just to get the truck to run. Couldn't wait to hear it run. I want to redo the plug wires, and that carburetor is definitely temporary till I can get the kit in to rebuild the 650 double pumper I had on it, and all that good stuff. But it's in there and it runs. Sounds pretty good. Can't complain really. It's not bad. Turned out pretty decent. Can't complain too much about it, honestly. Hang on here, we'll fire it up. Well, got the old gauges down there in the bottom. They're kind of old, but they reliable. I put a new copper line on it. Shouldn't have no trouble there with that oil pressure gauge. Got good oil pressure. Not bad. What do you guys think about that stainless cover there inside the dash? I don't know how I feel about it. I think I'm kind of getting tired of looking at it. I think I'd rather take that out and have it looking factory looking. Anyway, the old bird sounding pretty good. Got a little lope to her. What do you think? I think she sounds pretty good. Can't really complain. Got a couple little spits up here at the engine. A couple little exhaust leaks for some reason. I guess I need a better gasket for the header, but it's not too bad. Guess it'll be all right. But anyway, there's a little update on it. You hear it spitting pretty good sometimes. Almost sounds like a spark plug wire arcing, but I looked out in the dark. I don't see no arc. So pretty sure it's a header gasket. But we'll tear into that pretty soon and find out for sure. But anyway, there she is. She's back to her previous glory. Hopefully I can get a lot more time out of her. Yeah, pretty happy with it. It's turned out pretty good, I think. Oh, yeah, buddy. I think the next thing I'll do is I'm gonna take this classic tag off of it. My before I got it back, when Dad still owned it, he went and licensed it, and He just had him go ahead and put classic tag on it because it was old enough to do it. And he wasn't driving it much. Well, I plan on driving it a lot, so I want to take the classic tag off and just put a regular license plate back on it. That way I can drive it anywhere I want, you know, anytime I want, as much as I want. But anyway, there's something I forgot this old truck had. Cup holder. Yeah, I wish my 85 Silverado square body had one of them. I just wonder if I could get one of them and put one in it. That's a pretty nifty little thing there. It throws up out of the way. I like that. I mean, you guys have one of them. That's the first one I've ever seen. And just happened to be in a truck I own. So I'm kind of surprised I don't see more of them, but maybe there's more of them out there than what I know of, and I just overlook them or something. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, big old boom there. 4th of July as I'm filming this. Starting to get in the evening. People getting ready to set their fireworks off pretty soon. So I just want to make an update. Guess I've rambled on enough. Sure enough here. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I do next? Other than get that old Brock carburetor off of there.